This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by plugging your guitar into the audio interface and opening GarageBand. Select a new audio track and pick Electric Guitar or Amp Designer so you get amp emulation and effects. This matters because GarageBand applies DSP per track. Once done, enable monitoring to hear yourself. Check input gain and adjust until peaks sit below clipping. Aim for green to occasional yellow. Make sure the track's input is set to the correct interface channel, so GarageBand receives your signal cleanly. Now you shape your tone by selecting an amp preset and tweaking gain, EQ, and cabinet type. This changes harmonic content and feel, so try different combos. Add stomp effects like overdrive, reverb, and delay and balance wet/dry to sit the guitar in the mix. Once satisfied, arm the track for recording, set tempo and metronome, and enable a count-in for consistent entries. Record multiple takes using looped regions or take folders so you can comp the best performance later. After recording, edit by trimming regions and comping the best parts from multiple takes. This produces a seamless performance. Use light compression and subtractive EQ to control dynamics and remove muddiness, and route reverb or delay to aux buses for consistent ambience across tracks. Once the mix feels balanced, adjust master level to avoid clipping and export as 24-bit WAV for highest quality or create an MP3 for sharing. If something goes wrong, check input routing and latency settings first. Fixing those usually solves silent or delayed audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.